How's it going, guys? Headband Guy here, back for another reaction video. Today we are going to be reacting to Infinity Train. Alright, honestly, I don't want to say much. I want to jump right into this. I think this show is going to be amazing. I've only heard good things about it. I don't even remember watching the pilot. I think I did a few years ago, but I don't remember. I know lady, train, hand number, freaking Petra from Minecraft Story Mode. It has everything. Sorry, Future Kevin here after watching episode 1. I forgot to do this in the intro, so here we are. I'm gonna have some timestamps to the side of when each episode's reaction is started. How about that? So just here, yeah. Future Kevin away. Oh, and Dennis, I have a feeling I'm gonna be liking you soon. That's not a train.
Stink up the whole state with her onion breath.
She's eating an onion? What? No. I hope this isn't some stupid, it was all a dream or her imagination or something.
You said if I brought my grade up in English, I could go.
Walk. Catch a train.
What, so you're both too busy to be my parents?
Hey.
Oh,
you guys are the one. No,
this is
isn't.
real.
It wasn't.
Dang. This is a rough start. Back to the thing. I was gonna say I love the backgrounds because it feels like they're the backgrounds and the characters are a different style so far. Oh no. So I'm assuming she gets picked up by the train. Or no. So does the train, would the train like pick people at needs? Why is the train here?
That's lucky.
What?
Oh, did I just hallucinate a train station?
No!
You've come to bring me the sweet release of death.
Also, no.
Oh, it's the logo.
I'm on a big train, like a really weird big train.
It's snowing! You should be confused!
Is this what trains are like?
Yes!
No! This is not what trains are like!
Whoa, back to being impressed.
Yeah, dude, yeah. Me at this show so far. They're in Legoland!
It's the best game I've ever made.
How many games have you made?
One. Yep.
You're joking.
I'm just interested. I hope everything gets explained. Oh! Oh, that was easy. Where is going on? How could this be so so interesting, so crazy, so intriguing, and funny at the same time? Oh, never mind. Oh! Oh no!
This place has some stuff that's okay about it, and some stuff that could be better.
Everything has rules.
What is the train?
Even
Yeah.
crazy things have their own.
Oh my god. Yeah, this
It's a
person's
train,
smart.
right?
That was it. Oh no, I can't stop there. I'm just so interested. That's our first episode. Alright, I became Future Kevin for a few seconds. That was intriguing. I want to watch more. Here's the thing. I hear this show's extremely good. Meaning, everything does get explained. That's why I'm excited. That's the good part. It's interesting and it's explained. Alright, I guess I'm jumping into episode 2. Oh, so it doesn't take place right after.
And you got the 11th highest score in pinball.
Don't want to
11th?
top 10 though.
How many people have been here before? Did it just change?
It was 115 before. Oh no. Did it?
When it reaches 0, you are gone.
You're gone forever.
How?
These donut holders.
What is-
Pioneers
what?
like us, right? Acquaintance, the conductor.
Conductor made me think I was gonna die.
It would be surprising if you never died.
But eventually everyone runs out of time.
That's true.
No thumbs.
I have thumbs. I don't
There
know
you
what
go.
Shuttlecrafts.
You know, I could take the little white ball off your hands. in
Don't do
exchange.
that.
Or do you want to get off this train?
Shut up!
Deal.
No!
You mean my personal heartfelt gift that I picked out for my personal
Oh
heartfelt
no.
friend?
I mean, there's a lot of flowers.
Ugh, you'll be with the cat now.
No,
and-
she's ditching you. You're wrong. How is he gonna get one back?
I'll take your donut holder thing.
109! It changed already. What happens when it gets to 0? I'm so confused and interested.
You just made a big mistake.
Shut up. Oh. Alright, episode 2. Yeah, I mean, it's solid. Tulip's growing, and that's it, kind of, so far. Because she abandoned something, like she did in the first episode. I'm wondering if this is some kind of big metaphor. I don't know, does time pass here? When she gets back, will she have all this life lesson and no time passed? Is she grew? I have a lot of questions. So, I'm gonna jump into the next episode already.
It's been a week. Why won't you change?
A week? Why does it change? I mean, why wouldn't you want to stay in some of the good ones before you get to the bad ones? Ah! I know this slightly. Maybe her thing goes down when she grows. It went down last episode when she gave 1-1 to when she wanted to save gun 1-1.
The sun's gonna burn out one day. Enjoy this while you can.
No.
But admittedly fun dog stuff.
Wait, whoa! She didn't have the number there.
I know every continuity mistake.
I love 1-1.
I like this. This is cute.
Didn't you want to go outside?
Yes.
Outside?
No.
Outside?
Well.
Outside? Come on.
You know what? Pause this episode. I gotta be right back. You wanna watch the dog episode of Infinity Train? No, what are you doing? Go.
The exit is blocked by the unsolvable puzzle door, and it's
You're gonna be an
dangerous to
easiest
rush
puzzle
in
level.
alone.
What is that?
Aw,
Wait.
It's just a spider web.
I also thought the water level would go down.
Yeah, how'd it rise?
Maybe my nut. I'm going as fast as I can, but I'm getting nowhere.
Just because you
We gotta
can't
slow
figure
down a
things
bit.
out immediately.
Wait.
Hey, wait a minute.
How could a spider cause that problem with the water?
Exactly. Oh, what?
Real monster.
Alright, that makes sense to an extent. The train, yeah.
This must have something to do with the environment.
Then you turn it.
All right. That's how all doors open.
Ah! No! Don't die! Ah! Alright. Does it need... What?
My number changed.
I request to accompany you on your journey. so
Ah,
that I may
we a
hunt it
dog.
down and-
Aren't you coming?
Yes.
Then come on.
No.
Aw, that was a good episode. I like dogs. Here we go.
And we fought someone. The mean grandmother stealing coins from the fountain. But
I want to see that.
I deserve that.
Right.
Oh.
Put the notebook away.
I like
For
1-1.
now. Until
Though I feel like he's clearly related to the monster and or conductor if they're not the same thing.
Oh,
Yes,
great.
yes. Do you want to tell us?
Would you mind telling us how?
1-1, that thing wasn't your friend.
Goodness, was it my mum?
It was trying to hurt
It could
us.
be.
The question
Yeah. They're using that.
And trading, shall I say, some
Socialist.
It needs to be.
Even songs about going after your dreams.
It
Like
needs to
my
be
dream
important
of
to
getting
you,
game design camp,
emotional
which is
to
probably
you.
over. Like, I don't even know how time works on this dumb train.
Yeah.
What do I care about? Onions. Yo, pretty ladies. As they stop.
Cute.
What's the word? A word up.
Stop singing!
Hi. So wait, keys unlock it. So she can find a key to unlock the doors. All right, all right. That's important. I'll start the next episode. The cat's car. I didn't even say anything.
Thank you. We'll never forget you.
What? What? Car was added. How does this work? So anytime you're on a car, it can be moved around without you noticing.
If it isn't my favorite person, they
No!
I understand.
Take the sword. Stab her.
You know.
There's a lot of importance of her having thumbs here.
It has my name on it.
Oh, is that one yours?
What? So obviously the cat purposely knocked it over. But what are these?
Maybe you shouldn't.
Oh, you shouldn't have trusted the cat, should you have?
I gotta get out of here.
What? What is this?
You're me.
Oh,
Who cares about school?
is it trying to like keep her here?
Who wants to celebrate with double onion ice cream cake? Me!
What is going?
Let's hear it for Daphne.
Oh.
She won't. I told you she
So
they were fighting.
wait, she's realizing what actually was going on and how messed up, dude.
He's woke for the spokes.
It isn't a sham. I am.
So that's what she wanted to remember.
I don't care.
No.
It's going. So it's a good thing my number's going down. I'm growing as a person. Thanks, Train. So
Well-
glad.
We don't like you.
Yeah. What is going on? God. What is going on? That was amazing. The monster thing's working for another robot-y thing. They want the passenger to get the. They want one. Clearly, yeah, they were related to some sense. Well, it was trying to trap her how she remembered stuff. Kind of like a metaphor. If the show wants to go to the metaphor route, how you can be trapped in believing something that's not actually there. Because people do that all the time. People tend to remember stuff better if they want it to be better, and you can easily get yourself trapped. If you want to go that metaphor route, then yeah. Dude, I'm going to the next episode. Holy crap.
Awful news, Tulip.
We're getting double onion ice cream cake.
Onions.